Happy Saturday, guys. I'm installing a wiring harness. I already started on a 2016 Chevy cargo van cargo express. It's a 2500. It's one of the easiest wiring to install. Basically, I already started. It's part number CMF from Curt 55540. As you can see, those are the models it goes on. Come on. Savannah 15, everything goes on. That's what they send this package with this. So what you do, where's the light? Put on the light. I already grounded. So it's grounded here. All I had to do was disconnect this and connect this back direct. The brown and yellow wire goes to the driver's side. Passenger side, this end goes to passenger side. So I have to run this under here to the next side, and it's gonna be, get this Christmas tree lights out the way. It's gonna be this. So how you disconnect this, you press down on this tab. I'm gonna see if I have enough skills to do this with one hand, and you pull, disconnect. So this now, instead of putting this in here, you put it with the factory wire, you put it in here, and this you plug into this, and it's already grounded. This should be done. I'm gonna show you the next piece I'm gonna add on for him. I'm not sure how I'm gonna run this outside though. Let us see. Guys, so I ground it here instead, and I run it through an opening right here to put it on the outside. So this is it. I've already connected the next side, run everything under the mat. As you can see, this green wire, everything's run the whole way through, and came from over here and it goes up to there. Everything's already connected, as you guys can see. So I'm doing the signals and headlights right now. So let's just test it. I use this screw down here for a good grounding position, this bolt. So as you can see, we get power. Signals, and this should be night light. So we're all good. That's not how I'm gonna leave it. So the next part I was telling you guys, so it's of this is a 4 flat. That's regular for trailers, but he said he wanted to be able to use an adapter, a 7-pin. So he gets, I connect, all I have to do, connect this into here this way, ground this somewhere down here, exactly here would be good, and he's gonna get a 7-way and a 4 flat. I'm back, guys. As you can see, I ground it right here. One, 2, 3, 4 screws mount into this, into the bracket, and I put 2 screws, one here, one here, and one here. So I'm just testing the light. As you can see, signal. Let's see. We have power here. And we have power here. I already know the headlights are good, as you could see. Where's the headlights for this? Headlights are good. And that's it, guys. The part number that I added on is this. It's a 7-blade and 4 flat trailer wiring harness. Part number 47185. You could say this is pretty universal. This is what that is. And he has his lights and he's all good to go.
Curry goat almost done, guys, and I'm not sharing. Yeah.